Okay, so today we have past exercises. We have done present, right? Today we'll do the past exercises. We'll try to do it as soon as possible. Okay, so let's share the screen first. Is it visible to you, that screen? Is it visible to you, the whiteboard? No. Right? Okay. C'est la passé composé. Speak up. Le passé composé. Speak up. Speak up. Le passé. Today, the module is le passé composé. Le passé composé. So today I will give you three important verbs wherein my passé composé is very important with these three verbs. Now speak after me. See, nous avons le verbe aller, which is irrégulier, which is irregulier, which is irregular verb. So, okay, let me tell you. So first we have over here avoir verb. Speak up. What is the present tense of avoir verb? Tell me. J'ai, tu as,
Nous avons, vous avez,
ils ont. Clear? Now, Pepe. Speak after me. Pepe of our is you. The Pepe of our is you. If I will say I have had. J'ai eu, tu as eu, elle a eu. See, in order to make your passé composé, it is very important to understand. In order to make your passé composé, you have to take the help of avoir verb or either as verb. Say clear. But if I want to make my our past tense, I will take the help of our verb only. Say clear. Now our Pepe is you. Speak up. Our Pepe is you. Speak up. J'ai eu, tu as eu, elle a eu, nous avons eu, vous avez eu, and elles ont eu. Say clear. Now, is it clear to you, Nupji? Sure, Madam?
Yes.
Okay. One second. Damni, you there? Hello? Yeah, bonjour, bonjour, Damni, mademoiselle.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, vous allez bien?
Bien à vous?
Je m'apporte bien, Damni, mademoiselle. Okay. So today we are doing something about the past exercises, right? So that we can cover up your base portion also. Okay. Now, because in order to make my past conjugation, I have to take the help of avoir or either adjective family, right? But if I want to make the avoir past, so speak up. J'ai eu, because
J'ai eu.
passé is you. J'ai eu,
J'ai eu.
you are you,
You are you.
are you,
Elle a eu.
you,
Nous avons
vous
eu.
avez you,
Vous avez eu.
elles ont eu.
Elles ont eu.
C'est clair. Now, what would be my être passé composé? Être. If we have a chapeau over here, we have E, we have a chapeau. Please circumflex over here with E. Être is my verb to be. So see, in order to make être passé composé, my être Pepe is été. My être Pepe is été. Because in French we have a Pepe rule. In French we have Pepe rule.
Pepe.
Être Pepe is été. Say clair. Clair. Now if I will say I have been. Now speak after me. In order to conjugate my être Pepe, see, in order to make my passé composé, I have to take the help of avoir and être family verb. But if I'm making my être family Pepe, I will take the help of our family. Say clair. Our would be our family, être would be our family. Say clair. Say clair. So speak up. J'ai été.
J'ai été.
Tu
A été.
as été. J'ai été. Tu as été.
Tu as été.
A été.
Elle a été.
Elle a
Nous avons
été.
été.
Nous avons été.
Vous avez été.
Vous avez.
Vous avez été.
And elles ont été.
Ils ont.
Ils ont été.
So this is something like we have I have been, you have been, say Claire. Claire. Now
I
for
have been इसमें और avoir में था I have.
our में,
जैसे इसमें I
yeah,
have.
you, I have
नहीं,
had,
I have.
say Claire. Now for example, if you will say ale conjugation. Ale is my verb to go, but as explained to you, we have done that 14 house verbs. Okay, let me take you to 14 house verbs again. 1 second. Let me take you the 14 house verbs also, which is very, very important. Now speak up. Ale, speak up. Ale.
Ale.
Ale is my
Aller.
active family verb. Speak up. Ale.
Ale.
Ale is my
Aller.
active. I will take you to the 14 house verb, which is very important, to make my, this thing, that passé composé. Let me take you. Speak up. Now speak after me. Ale.
Ale.
Ale is my
Aller.
family verb. Speak up.
Ale
Ale is my ether
ether
family
family.
verb. So in order to make my ether family verb, what I will do? In order to make my ether family verb, what I will do? Tell me.
Use this ether verb.
Yes, we have to use the present tense of ether verb and the
ether.
PP of ale. Say Claire.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you? Okay, let me take to you. Now speak up. Je suis allé. It's already in the figure.
Je suis allé.
Allé. Speak up, please.
Tu es allé.
Okay, now let me share the screen to my ether family verb, please. Let me take you to the ether family verbs. Share the screen, and over here we have a document. Okay, is it fine now? That screen is visible to you, that ether family verb. Now this is my ether family verb. Now what is ether family verb? It is very important to understand how to learn your ether family verb. Now for example,
Dr. Mrs.
consider
Wonderful.
yourself, you born, first you born, this is my natural. The moment you enter in your house, how you enter in your house? The moment you born? Say Claire.
Yeah.
So the verb which is related, to your born till your death, this is your ether family verb. Say Claire. Now natural is my verb to born. So this is my ether family verb. The moment you enter in the house, you rest also. So the my reste is my verb to rest, which is my ether family verb. Say Claire. The moment you've grown up, you tombe also, you fell down also. So this is my, it is in the house only. So this is my ether family verb. Speak up. Natural. Speak up. Natural.
Natural.
Reste is my
Natural.
verb to rest.
Reste.
And in your house, you fell down also. The moment you start walking, what you say? What you feel? You fell down. Say Claire. So this is my tombe. In your house, you descend also. You get down from the stairs. You monte also. Monte is my verb to climb up the stairs. Is to? Is it clear to you? So monte and descendre. Descendre is my verb to get down, and monte is my verb to go up. Climb. Is it clear to you? In your house only. So you come.
Venir.
You come also. You go also. Say Claire. Vanir and ale is my ether family verb because come and go. You do the movement basically. Come, go. Say Claire. Now, for example, you're going to now you plan for a vacation. Now you leave your house also. So this is called as partir. Say Claire.
Yes.
Sortir, you go out from the house. Sortir is my verb to out. Sortir is to go out. Partir is to leave. These are my être family verb. Say Claire.
Claire.
Claire. Arrive, you arrive maybe again to your house. You spend a summer vacation and you arrive in your house. À votre maison. Say Claire. Now, retourner, revenir, again to come back. You come back to your house also. Revenir, venir, revenir. Say Claire. Entrer, rentrer. Passer is to pass. You pass to your house. Whatever you're doing, the movement with your legs. Passer, rentrer, entrer, retourner, revenir, partir. The movement you're doing with your legs. Tell me the movement. What do you do with your legs? The movement. Venir,
venir,
aller, retourner,
retourner,
revenir,
revenir,
passer,
passer,
entrer,
entrer,
rentrer.
rentrer,
These are my arriver. The
arriver,
thing you're doing with your legs. So
Passer.
these are your, and tombe also you fell down because of your legs only.
descendre, monter.
Exactement. The movement you are doing with your legs. This is your être family of natural. You use your legs, right? The moment you can feel like this. End of the day, you mourir. You die. La histoire est finie. Votre vie histoire est finie.
Histoire,
Your story end. Say Claire.
rentrer और entrer same है
Entrez,
और
entrez.
retourner और revenir same.
Say Claire. Claire. Now these are my être family verbs. Now I will give the pepe of your être family verb. First we'll do présent, pepe. Présent, pepe. Is it clear to you? Now, first we'll do one exercise with the passé composé. Let me take the exercise first. Now speak up. See, we have ale conjugation. Now ale, pepe is A-L-L-E, ague. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now je suis allé, tu es allé. Now it is very important to understand. We have to have accordé. I'll explain. Okay, let me take it to whiteboard, then I will explain to you. Is it fine that whiteboard?
Yes.
देखो, in my être family verb, Damini, Anupji, and Dimple Madam. In my être family verb, we have accordé. What is accordé? If you are a female with your pepe, I have to apply E. If you are a plural, you have to apply S. If you are a female plural, that is ES. Say Claire Damini.
Yes, sir.
Now, je suis allé. For example, I am a male. I will only complete my sentence with E agu. But you are a female. This is you will add E extra because you are a female.
ये पेपे की फॉर्म है ना?
Yeah, the पेपे की फॉर्म के साथ होगा. Say Claire. Claire. Tu es allé. E agu. Il est allé. Speak up. Il est allé. Now, il est allé is he went because we do not have E extra because that il is a masculine. But if I will say elle est allée, we have E extra because for a feminine. Say Claire.
Claire.
Nous sommes allés with can be a ES or can be a S. Say Claire because that's a plural. Vous êtes allés again, you all are. Ils sont allés with S, mais elles sont allées avec ES. Say Claire. Anobji. Say Claire, Damini.
Yes, sir.
Now let me take you to the one exercise portion. 1 second. Okay, now I will paste one exercise and you have to do with this. I will tell you. Okay, let's share the screen with you. 1 second. Very good. That whiteboard is visible, that not WordPad wala, WordPad
Yes.
wala, WordPad. Is it visible?
Yes.
Now you have to create your passé composé over here. We have verb acheter. Acheter
Buy.
un livre de français. Livre is my book. Livre de
From
français is
France.
book, French book.
A
Now
French book.
acheter is my verb to buy. Say class. Now tell me the conjugation, please.
J'ai acheté.
J'ai acheté aigu.
Yes.
J'ai
Acheté.
our
सर
conjugation.
जैसे हम टाइप करते हैं ना तो वो एक्शन वगैरह आते नहीं है तो उसकी जगह फिर वो स्टार ही कर ले.
हाँ हाँ. Bonjour, bonjour. Okay. J'ai acheté. Pen down, please. J'ai acheté. C'est clair. C'est clair.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, 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 madame. J'ai acheté, c'est clair. Now we are doing the past exercise verb. Now tell me, je dash acheté un livre de français. J'ai acheté un livre de français. C'est clair. C'est clair.
Claire.
Clair. कर लिया आपने j'ai acheté. J'ai apostrophe ai acheté achet aigu aigu. C'est clair. Clair. Now, for example, we have il dash être sa joncourt. Speak up. Sa joncourt. Speak up. Sage
Sage.
en cours. Sage is your wise. Sage.
Sage is
Wise. Wise. समझदार.
wise. ठीक है.
Is it clear to you? Sage en cours. Speak up. Sage en cours.
Sage.
He il dash sage en cours. It means he will be in progress of his cours class. C'est clair. He will be very wise in the class. Sage en cours. C'est clair. Clair. Now être.
Il a été.
Yes. We have il a été. Il a
Été.
été because he has been. I'm using this. Il a été. Because we have être. What is the être passé composé? Gitanli mademoiselle.
Été.
Être passé composé. Exactement. So we have over here a été. C'est clair. Now, third, Anup ji, nous dash manger des fruits. Nous manger, okay, des fruits, some fruits. Nous avons mangé, c'est très bien. Nous avons mangé des fruits. C'est clair. Tu dash.
Sage encore pura is why
Sage en cours is wise in the class. C'est clair. Sage en cours. Clair. Now, tu dash avoir mal au ventre. Very good. Mal au, speak up. Mal au ventre. Speak after me.
Mal au ventre.
Speak up, please. Mal au ventre. Speak up.
Mal au ventre.
Mal au ventre is stomach ache. Stomach ache. होता है ना हमारा? Is it clear to you? That is your mal au ventre. Ce matin, this morning. Ce matin is this morning. C'est clair. Now you will say tu dash avoir. Maybe you have had stomach ache this morning. Mal au ventre. Speak up. Mal au ventre. Ventre is your stomach.
Mal au ventre.
Clair? Now you tell me.
You are you.
Tu as eu. Exactement. A eu. Because what is the pepe of our conjugation? Tell me, Anupji. The
Eu.
pepe of our conjugation.
Eu. Q-A-U.
Tu, j'ai
J'ai
eu. Tu as
Tu
eu. C'est
eu.
clair. C'est clair.
Yes.
So over here we have Say Claire, Isha, madame. Okay. You. Say Claire. Say Claire. Italian mademoiselle. Say Claire now.
Meeting access करेंगे.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Say Claire. Now read the fifth one. Les enfants dash faire leur devoir avant de jouer.
Screen.
Screen नहीं
So les enfants ont fait.
Screen नहीं आ रही आपको? Okay, let me share the screen.
So les enfants ont fait.
Very one sec, please. Document share. Okay, very good. Now fair conjugation. We have a fair conjugation. Now tell me, Anupji, what is the present tense of fair conjugation? Tell me.
Je fais, tu fais, il
With
fait.
your a play, s'il vous plaît. Spelling, please. A play, s'il vous plaît.
FAIS,
Huh?
FAIS, tu
Hmm.
fais, FAIT,
Mm-hmm.
nous faisons,
Very good.
vous faites,
Very good. Elles font.
les autres.
C'est clair. Sorry. Elles font.
Elles font.
Elles font. Clair? Non. Maintenant, c'est très bien, Damni, mademoiselle. Vous m'avez dit, c'est là.
Oui. Les enfants
fait.
ont fait
Les
leur
enfants-
devoir avant de jouer.
Exactement. Pour cette raison, parce que le verbe faire, il appartient avec la famille avoir. It belongs to the verb avoir. C'est là, les enfants ont fait. ONT. C'est clair. Parce que faire pépé is fait. Les enfants ont fait. Les enfants ont fait. So you can make like this. C'est clair? Clair? C'est clair to me, yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have sixth one. Nous dash aller au parc de loisirs. Speak up. Nous dash. Speak up, please. Nous dash aller
Nous dash aller au parc de
parc.
loisirs.
de loisir. Loisir is your leisure something. Loisir. 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 I go to the park at the leisure. I go at the leisure of the park. Loisir. Loisir something I call as my habits also. Loisir. Say clair.
Hobby.
We can say, but here we have a leisure park. Loisir.
Leisure activities.
Leisure activities. Yes. Claire. Now tell me where we were.
6.
We are the sixth. Yes. Now tell me.
Nous sommes allés.
Nous sommes allés.
Nous sommes allés. Nous sommes
Allés.
allés. So over here we have nous sommes allés. C'est clair? Now, vous dash attendre. What is my attendre verb? Tell me. Attendre is my verb to wait.
To wait.
You dash over an hour. Plus d'une heure is plus d'une heure. Over than an hour. More than an hour. Plus. More. It means you waited more than an hour. Attendre conjugation we have.
Vous avez attendu.
Exactement. So we have vous avez attendu because attendre pp is because we have
Attendu.
ending verb. So attendre pp is attendu. C'est clair? C'est clair? Now, elle dash partir à l'école. Obvious. It means she leaves the school in bus. C'est clair? C'est clair? Now tell me, partir is my ether family verb. तो क्या आ जाएगा? LA party. LA party. Pepe is PARTI, but because she is L, so I will insert E at the end. The party Pepe is PARTI. As explained to you, in most of the cases, if we have an ending IR, my Pepe is I. If my ending is ER, my Pepe is EQ. If my ending is RE, in most of the cases, my Pepe is U. Say clear? But over here we have PARTIE because we have acorde. E is my acorde. Say clear? Say clear? Say clear, Isha madam?
Claire.
Now, who travaille sérieusement? Sérieusement क्या होता है? Seriously. Say clear? Now you tell me. Vous avez travaillé? Say clear? C'est la verb conjugation. L dash être déçu. Déçu is your disappoint basically. Déçu we used for disappointment. L dash être déçu du résultat. They, because L we have a lot of girls, dash disappointed with the result. So you tell me. LONT. Elles ont été.
So
Because we have ether family, my ether family is always conjugate with my our. Say clear? So elles ont été. Say clear? Say clear? C'est la passé composé. Now you tell me your doubts.
अभी आपने बताया था कि पेपर अपन ने किया उसमें अपन आवार और एडवर्ब काम में ले रहे थे. अभी आपने बताया था कि पासे कंपोजे में हम सिर्फ आवार काम में लेते हैं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. देखो. In order to make your past tense, I will take the help of ether family verb, or either I will take the help of my. Okay, I will explain to you. Now repeat after me. Okay, 1 second.
एक बार थोड़ा क्लियर.
I will explain to you.
in passive composite we both ether and avoir verb.
Let me tell you. अच्छा,
Okay.
screen अभी दिख रही है आपको? Is it visible? The screen.
No sir, no sir.
Okay. Now, in order to make your passé composé, on doit utiliser. We have to use the verb of avoir or either être. Say clear. Now, if I will go with our conjugation of pepe, I'm not saying the verb of naître is my être family verb. I know. Aller is my être family verb. I know. Travailler is my avoir family verb. I know. Cuisiner is my être family verb. I know. Serve verbs, the reflexive verb, which is my être family verb. But man, if we have a circle of our verb, in case of our, if I want to convert our in my past tense, I will take the help of our verb present tense only. Say clear. But if I want to convert my être, I have been, être is to be was been. If I want to convert my être family verb with my past participle, I have to use our présent. Our présent est la PP of my être.
अगर एथर फैमिली वर्ब सी
तो être पास PP être रहेगा ना, être plus PP. देखो, être plus PP, अगर मेरी 14, if we have 14 house verbs, that is être plus PP. लेकिन être का PP, être अगर मेरे को PP बनाना है, verbs का नहीं मेरे खाली être का PP बनाना है, I will take our family verb.
सिर्फ एथर का आवाज से बनेगा, बाकी सारे वैसे ही बनेंगे.
Say clear. Say clear. Okay. Now, speak after me. Naître. Speak up. Naître. Speak up. Very important word. Sorry, screen is different. Speak after me. Naître. Speak up. Speak after me.
Naître.
Naître is my. Okay, is it visible to you? The screen is visible.
Yeah.
Is it fine? Speak up. Naître is my être family verb. Speak up. Netr. N-A-I-T-R-E. Speak up. Netr. Netr is my ether family verb. Now, if I want to convert netr family with my, I born, you born, with my present tense. Speak up. Je n'ai. Speak after me. Je n'ai. Speak up, please. Je n'ai. Tu n'es. It means je n'ai. N-A-I-S. Okay, let me increase the font size. Say Claire. Je n'ai.
Can you please close the side window?
Several window. Is it clear to you? Okay, I will take you to different notepad. Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Je n'ai, tu n'es, say Claire. Je n'ai, tu n'es, il, elle n'ait. Speak after me. Je n'ai. This
Je
is
n'ai.
my. This is my natural present tense. Okay. So je n'ai, tu n'es, il, elle n'ait, N-A-I-T. Nous naissons, N-A-I-S-S-O-N-S. Vous naissez, N-A-I-S-S-E-Z. लिख दूं मैं? लिख दूं? You want to write down? Anup ji.
N-A-I-T.
L-L-N-A-I-T, N-A-I-S-S-O-N-S, N-A-I-S-S-E-Z, and N-A-I-S-S-E-N-T. Il-N-S. मैं. For
नू
example,
सर रिपीट करना नू का.
nous naissons, N-A-I-S-S-O-N-S. I'm repeating one more time. Je n'ai, N-A-I-S. Tu n'es, N-A-I-S. Il, elle n'ait, N-A-I-T. Nous naissons, N-A-I-S-S-O-N-S. Vous naissez, N-A-I-S-S-E-Z. Il, elle naissent, N-A-I-S-S-E-N-T. C'est clair? Now, for example, if I say I born fast. Now my netr is converted into ne, N-E, ague. My netr is converted into je suis né. Je suis né. If you are a female, you have to insert E. Say Claire. I born. You will say, अगर आपको बोलेंगे, Kelly, what is that the songs? What is your date of birth?
Yes,
Okay, your place of birth. Say Claire, what I will say. Je suis né. I born at blah blah blah. Je suis né, né. Say Claire. Say Claire. Now speak up. Je suis né.
Yes, we
Tu es né.
Tu-es-né.
We have our ether we have ether conjugation than ne. Say Claire. Tell me. Damni and Isha Madam, is it clear to you?
Clear.
Clear? So nether pepe is my ne. Say Claire. Say Claire.
एक मिनट, एक चीज और, अगर फीमेल है तो ई आएगा, एंड अगर जैसे नू सॉम वू जेट है तो उसमें एंड में एस आ जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. इफ नूसॉम के साथ फीमेल है बहुत सारी तो ईएस आएगा. नूसॉम में अगर सिंपल मेल्स की बात कर रहे हो दैट एस आएगा. with il plurial, ILS plurial, we have S ending. With L plurial, we have ES ending with accorte. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Clear.
Claire. Now. Main to know. Clear हुआ आपको ये चीजें? Okay. Now let's into a bit pattern. थोड़ा सा पैटर्न मैं इजी सा लेके चल रहा हूँ. अब आपको मेरे साथ बोलना है बस. Is it clear to you? You have to describe your day in present tense only. You have to, if I will say, because we have done present tense, right? If I asked you, describe your day in terms of present tense. Speak up. Ma journée. Speak up. Ma journée. Okay, I will take you different notepad because this notepad is not. One second. The notepad is visible to you? That one. It is visible to you, notepad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want that you to describe your day. First, I will describe my day, then you will describe in the same sense. Clear? Speak up. Ma journée. My day. ma journée. Ma jour, I can say, but I will say ma journée, my day. Say class, speak up ma journée. If I will say first of all, I wake up. The first thing I do in the morning that I wake up. Simple, I'm saying. I'm describing my day, ma jour. If I will say first day, what I do in the morning, I wake up only. The first thing, to the board. This is my connector for your B1 and B2 module. To the board.
To the board.
First of all, is a very important connector, as we already have done a lot of connectors. Speak up. To the board, je me lève. Je me lève. We have verb se lever. We have se réveiller also. It is to get up. Se réveiller is to wake up, and se lever is to get up. Say clair. Speak up. To the board, je me lève.
Tout d'abord, je
Speak
me
up. Ma
To
journée.
the board, je me
Ma
lève.
journée. Speak up.
Ma
To the
journée.
board, je me lève. Then I dressed. You say simple because today you will do very normal phrases. I dressed up. Quiz. Then Jamabi. We have a verb sabiye. We already have done Anupji. Sabiye verb. Sabiye is my verb to dress up. Say Claire. Sabiye is my verb to.
रवैये और लैब में कौन सा
कोई फर्क नहीं है.
एक wake
I
and
get up and wake up.
get up लैब होता है
हाँ. Je me lève or je me réveille. Say Claire. Now I will say tout d'abord je me lève puis je m'habille. Then I wake up. Then you will say I walk down. Past में बोल रहे हो. You're talking for a past now. क्योंकि we are doing present past mix, right? Now you will say I walked till my school. I walked down till my school. Now speak up. What is the verb? You tell me, Anupji. I walked.
March.
Very good. J'ai marché jusqu'à l'école. Jusqu'à till. Jusqu'à. J'ai marché jusqu'à l'école. C'est clair. J'ai marché jusqu'à l'école. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. J'ai marché jusqu'à l'école.
j'ai marché तो simple present हो गया ना जैसे I had marched je marcherai marché
I had.
marché
जावे मार्शे बोल दो. जावे मार्शे वो बहुत पास्ट हो गया.
ये
पूरा
मार्शे.
पास्ट.
je marché
पास से कंपोज है
पास्ट से कंपोज होगा ना. I walked.
ये अब वर्ड के साथ कंजुगेट करते
नहीं अगर हम लैम्पार्ड पे यूज करें
हैं.
हाँ तो आप कर सकते हो. je marché AIS.
थोड़ा वो स्मूथ मोशन से
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
जैसे हम पास से कंपोजे में तो वो
हाँ हाँ. That's your sense. That's your sense. Okay. Now you will say I like to go to the school. I like to go to the school.
ये इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन जिसका रखना है.
Jiska. Jiska.
जिसका.
Yes.
जिसका नहीं.
Jiska.
जिसका.
Okay. J'ai marché jusqu'à l'école. I love to go to school. J'aime aller à l'école. J'aime. Aimer verb. Have you done aimer verb? Aimer is my verb to like. J'aime aller à l'école because when you're doing very simple, Abhi. J'aime aller à l'école.
From में खाली morning walk के लिए है या walk?
No, we are walking also. We have sub promenade is to I walked on with my dog also.
तो यहाँ पे promenade भी use कर सकते हैं. Or would this go with march only?
Promenade, if you would say I go to school with my friend with chit chat. समझ गए sense?
That has to be with someone.
मतलब कि if you're walking down, they